Good morning. Today is day 2. Good morning. And we are starting bright and early and heading up to the jungle somewhere. Hopefully we'll get some more information I can share, but we're going to drive up to the jungle and take a nice walk up to a waterfall and take a swim, cool off, and then come back down, then head back down to the center. So it should be a beautiful drive, a beautiful hike, and a beautiful swim first thing this morning. It's always amazing to me how loud the forest can get. So this tree is like hollow. Isn't that amazing? Isn't it beautiful? They had stuff like this that grew in Elephant Nature Park, but it only grew so far down and then it was bright red on the end.
So they just threw it away, or what?
Maybe it fell off from somebody.
Oh, but it's a natural?
Yeah.
Or, yeah, really?
Here I am on my little porch. I survived day 2. It was a waterfall hike this morning, and then breakfast, and then yoga, and then I went and got a massage. I wasn't gonna get one till tomorrow, but I needed one today. I was struggling with some serious soreness, and then I took a little nap, and now I'm getting ready to go do meditation for an hour before dinner. I'm all cleaned up. You can hear it's super active over at the Muay Thai Boxing Center. So that's a wrap for day 2. I'm feeling pretty good. Little sore here and there, but nothing major. So I'm actually pretty surprised for as much as I've been doing. I've been taking advantage of all the activities that I possibly can, especially this first week. And yeah.